Hello kids! Welcome to our fun animal adventure. Today we are going to meet some amazing snakes and learn cool facts about them. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a King Cobra.
Wow!
The King Cobra is the longest venomous snake in the whole world. It can raise its head high and spread its hood when it feels danger. This is an albino snake.
Wow!
Albino snakes are very rare and special. They have white and yellow colors because they don't have dark pigments in their skin. This is a copperhead snake.
Wow!
Copperheads are found in North America. They have a copper red head and they use camouflage to hide in leaves. This is a corn snake.
Wow!
Corn snakes are not venomous. They are friendly snakes, and people often keep them as pets because they are calm and colorful. This is a ball python.
Wow!
Ball pythons are gentle, non-venomous snakes. When they feel scared, they curl up into a tight ball. That's why they're called ball pythons. This is a green python.
Wow!
Green pythons live in trees. Their bright green color helps them hide among leaves and branches. This is a carpet python.
Wow!
Carpet pythons are big snakes that have beautiful patterns on their skin, just like a carpet. This is a rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes have a rattle at the end of their tail. They shake it to make a sound and warn others to stay away. This is a ladder snake.
Wow!
Ladder snakes live in Europe. They have dark stripes on their body that look like a ladder. This is a garter snake. They are harmless snakes that live near gardens and water. Garter snakes help by eating insects and small pests. This is a grass snake.
Wow!
Grass snakes are non-venomous and love to swim. They are often found near ponds, lakes, and rivers. This is a coral snake. Coral snakes are very colorful with red, yellow, and black bands. But remember, their bright colors mean they're very dangerous. This is a Saharan Horned Viper.
Wow!
It lives in the desert and has small horns above its eyes. It hides in the sand to surprise its prey. Wow, kids! Today we learned about many amazing snakes. Some are dangerous, some are gentle, but all of them are very important for nature. Remember, snakes are cool to learn about, but we should always keep a safe distance. See you in our next animal adventure. Bye-bye.